Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to duplicate a container in Elementor, right? As you can see here, I am just editing one of my web page of my website using Elementor, and here I have created a section having a container, and like this is looking like this. And now I just want to duplicate this container, right? So I can edit that particular container and can make changes, right? I need not to create a new container with having same kind of style. So for duplicating that container, I just need to move my cursor in the top of the section or that particular container, and we can simply right click on that edit container icon if it is a section having a flex box of one row and one column, and you just need to duplicate a container of that particular section. You just need to move your cursor on the section's top, and here you will see a 6 dot icon, and you just need to right click on that 6 dot icon of editing a container, and you just need to click on duplicate. So as you can see, I've clicked on duplicate, right? And as you can see, that particular section of one row and one column having a single container have been duplicated. So this is how you can simply duplicate a container if there is one row and one column section and having a container in it. For example, this is not like that. I have simply deleted this container by clicking on the cross icon in the top of the section, right? And here I am going to create a new section. So I am going to click on plus icon in the middle of the screen, and here I am going to select the grid, and here I'm going to select this particular structure, the one row and three column structure. And here, for example, I'm just adding a container by clicking on add element button in the top right left corner in the header, black header, right? So I've clicked on add element, and here I'm just searching for a container, or like I can simply add that particular container over here also. So like I'm just copying it, the old container on which we were working before, right? So like to copy this container, I just can simply move my cursor on the top of the section and simply click on 6 dots, right click on 6 dots, and simply can click on copy, and then I can simply paste this container in the one row and one column grid position of the new section, right? We can simply right click on the plus icon of one row and one column position and can simply click on paste, right? So as you can see, this particular container have been added here in the first row first column position of this grid. Now I just want to duplicate this container in the same section, right? So I need not to right click on 6 dots of the top of the section to edit the container, right? We just need to right click on the top left gray box icon on the container, right? We just need to right click on that and then again click on duplicate, select duplicate, and you can see the container have been duplicated in the second column and first row position of this grid. So I have told you in the both manner, right? If your section is having a single container, then you can simply use the top edit container button in on top of this section, right? You can right click on that and you can simply click on duplicate, right? But if your section is having like a grid, and in that grid you are having a container, right, then you need not to move your cursor on the 6 dot icon and right click on it. That you just need to move your cursor to the top left corner gray box icon on the container, and you just need to right click on that, and then you can simply select duplicate, and that particular container would be duplicated. So this is how you can duplicate a container in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I've added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.